Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for in-depth beauty and wellness product reviews. Today, we're exploring the Cloris 84-inch professional massage table, a portable, foldable, and lightweight solution designed for professionals and home users alike. This massage table boasts a generous 84-inch length and features 2.76-inch thick, high-density foam cushioning, providing exceptional comfort during treatments. The surface is draped in luxurious PU leather that's both soft and easy to clean, free from the unpleasant odors often associated with synthetic materials. Its aluminum legs and arch-shaped bed frame support up to 1,100 pounds, ensuring stability during use. Non-slip feet protect various floor surfaces, and the height is adjustable between 23 to 33 inches, accommodating different therapy needs. Setting up the Cloris massage table is straightforward. It folds and unfolds effortlessly, with all accessories storable within the unit. The included carrying bag enhances portability, making it ideal for mobile therapists or home users. Its versatility extends to massage centers, salons, health clubs, beauty parlors, gyms, and home settings. In terms of performance, the thick foam cushioning and sturdy construction provide a comfortable and secure experience for clients. The adjustable height feature allows therapists to customize the table to their working preference, enhancing ergonomics during sessions. Pros of this table include its substantial weight capacity, comfortable cushioning, adjustable height, and ease of portability. However, some users have noted that the table is relatively heavy, which could be a consideration for those frequently transporting it. Additionally, there have been mentions of the headrest not being as comfortable as expected. Comparatively, the Cloris table stands out for its high weight capacity and thick cushioning. Alternatives like the Earthlight Luna portable table weigh less, but support up to 750 pounds, which may be sufficient for many users. The SmileMart 3-section adjustable aluminum massage table offers similar features, but with a different design and potentially varying durability. Priced at $319.99, the Cloris massage table offers good value considering its features and build quality. The materials used are durable, and the overall construction is robust, suggesting longevity with proper care. User-friendliness is a highlight, with intuitive setup and adjustment mechanisms. The table's design caters to both professionals and home users, making it accessible to a broad audience. While specific information on customer support experiences is limited, Cloris provides a 1-year warranty, indicating a commitment to customer satisfaction. Real-world testing shows that the table performs well across various settings, from professional salons to home use. Its stability and comfort are consistently praised, though the weight and headrest comfort are areas for potential improvement. As of now, there are no notable firmware or software updates affecting this product's performance. In conclusion, the Cloris 84-inch professional massage table is a solid investment for those seeking a reliable, comfortable, and portable massage table. Its strengths outweigh the minor drawbacks, making it a commendable choice for professionals and enthusiasts. This table is well suited for massage therapists, spa owners, and individuals seeking a high-quality massage table for personal use. Its features cater to both beginners and professionals. Regarding longevity, the durable materials and sturdy construction suggest that the table will withstand regular use over time. If you're enjoying this review, consider liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support helps others discover this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Cloris 84 professional massage table in the comments box. Feel free to ask any questions about the product or share your experiences if you already own it.